husband issue. Okay, now this is a very common issue. First of all, stop focusing on him, the mistakes that he make. Trust me, I used to be a person who used to argue, give big paragraphs on WhatsApp. Okay, I was there, but because there to change him according to my terms. So why are you doing this? I don't like you doing that. Why would you do this to me? All that arguments happen. The moment I ignored him, I focused on my thing. Okay, now first, without taking that responsibility and doing journaling and affirmations will not make sense. Okay, first you need to understand that let me work on myself. Let me ghost out from these people. Let them do what they do. Don't take those things in their mind. Whatever you do, your environment will outbeat you. If you try
Yes.
to become better, your environment will keep giving challenges just because of the fact that you're trying to become better, and the challenges become worse when you try to become better. Yes or no? So
Absolutely.
what happens, what you should do is you should have a mindset, let me outbeat this, let me win this. Okay, so this is like a challenge you need to work on. Once you try to focus only on yourself, first of all, love yourself. Again, accept yourself. However your spouse is, just let them be. Okay, the more you focus, let me tell you, you don't have to chase them, they will chase you. That is what is the law of universe. That's how law of universe works. You don't have to change anyone. The moment you work on your intentions, when you work on your goals, when you focus on them, you attract everyone. Forget your husband, you will attract everyone. Just kidding, but I'm telling, he will align with you automatically, because this happened to me personally. Okay, so when you talk about affirmations, it's more of reframing the sentences. If you're having a particular problem with your spouse, now reframe it. Okay, saying that, okay, he did it, it's a story. Now it's an event that he created a problem. Now your story should be different. Maybe he's busy, maybe he's having a lot of pressure, maybe he's having a lot of baggage of his own. Why should I give him more pressure? Let him be. When you give stories like this, you will feel better. Yes or no? The more you feel better, then you will give him space. Okay, now what is your feeling? What is your new feeling? Old feeling is, how come he do this to me? Why is he doing this to me? I wish he was better. Yes, now come to the new emotions. Okay, I'm trying to be more understanding. Let me give him space. So you feel that freeness. Okay, I think he needs some more time. He will change. Okay, he will align with me soon. Now let me focus on myself. Now give stories like that. Then what is the action? For now, let him be that side. Let me focus on myself. Let me set intention for myself. You as an individual, when you work on yourself, trust me, husbands, they will come to you, because they will respect you for the person that you are. The moment you love yourself, you become that high value woman. Definitely